guys, we're back on face. Today, I finally come. The red fidget spinner is already here. So, I saw the mailbox. I thought it was my mom's. Nah, she didn't order this fidget spinner. I ordered it, but I thought it was gonna go, the package of my mom to school because she didn't finish it. So here it is. Look, one touch. One touch and look at how well this spins. So this is now a come today. Here's the metal balls. Right there are the metal balls. You can see them right there. I see the inside. I think it's plastic, so I can pop these off. Ugh, so hard. Smells if it's metal. No, it's plastic. But it's really hard to put out, so I cannot show you the middle ball. So this is the red fidget spinner. I'm not gonna take it to school, so if it breaks, I'm gonna be so mad. Here's the package. I thought it went in a big package with plastic around. It was really nice. But my mom found this in the package, so she got the package of the fidget spinner. So she just called me. She said, "Hey, the fidget spinner is here," and I said, "Yes." So here is the fidget spinner when it's in the package. This is how it looked in the package. Then I take it out, I play with it a little bit, and then I started the video. So that's the red fidget spinner. It's really cool. Look at that sound. The sound is amazing. It sounds like it's metal, but it's not. It's plastic. Look at that. The camera is freaking out. I cannot even see the blade. So that's the fidget spinner. You can do tricks with it. That awesome. And I cannot do this because it's too hard. It's gonna fall. I'm gonna break. It's new. I'm so happy this comes. I wait so long, 10 days. Today is 10 of Mars. And look, this is insane. So that's all today, guys. See you all next time. Bye.